It don't matter where we go, it don't matter where we stay tonight, 'cause when I'm with you, yeah, I know everything will be alright.
If you are in Bengal, that you cannot avoid to visit top 3 heart-throbbing places in Bengal and in nearest Bengal, जिसमें बंगालीस की जान बसती हो, दीघा, पुरी and दार्जिलिंग.
Everything will be alright.
Hello and welcome back once again to the channel everyone. I hope all of you guys are doing extremely well. Welcome back to another new video. In today's video, I'm gonna give you a review of a top rated resort in Mandarmani. Without any further ado, let's get started. This resort can be a perfect destination for couples, honeymoon and for relaxation. The speciality of this resort is the location. You can enjoy the beach view even without going outside from the resort. Welcome to Lloyds Beach Resort. It has a beautiful spacious swimming pool in the center of the property. The property also has a large parking space and a breathtaking open ground, and of course a very well decorated separate dining area. रात का नज़ारा, swimming pool lighting definitely will mesmerize your heart for sure. At night, we had enjoyed their delicious North Indian cuisines. The property has different rooms and cottage options. We would prefer to stay in a cottage. Let's take a small tour to their beautiful cottages. The cottage has very beautiful and well decorated interior inside and very neat and clean, and it's very near to the swimming pool. And it has also a separate balcony area. Apart from that, all the informations like room tariff and other detail, you will get it on the description box. In the next day morning, we had our free breakfast. So let's have a look what we had in our breakfast. If you want to make a pure vegetarian food without onion and garlic, you can also have it. लेकिन आपको थोड़ा पहले ये बता देना पड़ेगा because they use onion and garlic almost in every menu and every dishes. इस वीडियो में कोशिश किया है कि जितना भी इंफॉर्मेशन हो सके मैं आप लोगों को दे सकूँ. बाकी डिटेल्स जो है वो आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन में मिल जाएगा. आई होप आप लोगों को ये वीडियो पसंद आया होगा. अगर ये वीडियो आपको पसंद आया हो तो प्लीज़ इस वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए, और ऐसे अच्छे कंटेंट देखने के लिए प्लीज़ डू सब्सक्राइब टू थर्स्टीरोमनी यूट्यूब चैनल. तब तक के लिए सब कोई अच्छे रहिए, खुश रहिए, और मैं आपसे मिलती हूँ अगले व्लॉग में. बाय बाय.